No way. Woo! No. Wow. Okay. It sounds really wet in there. Oh, it's in my shoes. Whoa. This is so nice. You smell the wood. Right, so we're back to the scrunchy mud again. Oh, what a way to start a video. We've come to the top of Kit Hill. Our plans are to come from the highest point of Kit Hill to the lowest point. This is insane. 10:30 in the morning. Just before we get into the video, guys, I just want to say a huge thanks to Maffers and Shazzas Big Adventures for hooking us up with the location for this one. So the whole video basically is all down to them. Thanks a lot, guys. Saturday. Let's get it. It doesn't look like it's usually here. It looks like it's overflown from somewhere and it's made its way through the path. This tree, it's not a very old tree. Something embedded in there. Old cup. Right, I have a feeling we're very, very close. Wow, it's like walking into heaven. Whoa! Right. More water. Oh, here we are. Oh my god, this is what we've been looking for the whole time. That is it. Oh, crud. No way. Look at this thing. Can you see in there, chap? I reckon I can get in there. You reckon? That is full of water. You can hear loads of water running through there. Woo! Nice. Looks like it goes down. Oh. Wow. Okay. It sounds really wet in there. It does sound so wet. This is so crazy. The state of the stalactites on the roof.
Do that one. That look how big.
That's a longie, yeah. Look at this stalactite. You okay, Pop? This is sick.
It looks like a wall wrestling.
What? This is wicked. Oh, I think we should do. I think we should probably shut that gate, shouldn't we? Yeah. Right, I'm going to go back and shut the gate. To here. Do you want to go back? Yeah, boys, this gate's open. Holy cow. Do you know what the weirdest thing is? It feels really warm in here. Like the water feels warm. It feels really warm. It's freezing cold outside. This is going to be sick. So stoked for this. I'm going to put this other torch on actually. Jack them all up. Wow, it's getting louder.
There's the water coming down.
Wow. Crikey. It's coming down hard. Oh my god, wow. It's crazy. Hopefully it's going to dry up a bit. Wow. Oh, like a shell. Somewhere to sit down. Touching the ceiling everywhere. Oh wow, boys, look. No way. So this is what we can see in here. It's a circle room. It's like a cylinder. Maybe they boiled stuff in here, I don't know, and all these tubes came through. Bars and stuff here. It's all so rusty. There's a little tub here. What the hell is this? It'd be cool to find treasure behind there or something. It's getting a bit wetter now. What, Charlie? What? Oh, we've had a bit of a collapse. Wow, looks like there's a lot of water on the other side. Oh, there's something going on there. Okay, right, I'll pass that bit. These things, right, we're getting deep. Oh, it's in my shoes. Okay, my feet are wet. It's getting drier out there. Can you feel that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is cold. So, we've come across these huge pieces of timbers here, look. Just to the left of us, there's another tunnel. This one's been barred up. You can't see through this one. That's going to be another cylinder, another circular. Oh look, it's another box like there was on the other side. This has got a little tea light in it.
Like a pub.
It does. It does smell like an old Woodford pub. I know exactly what you mean. Right, let's move down the tunnel then. Let's go left and see what else we can see.
It's so cold now, like they feel warm.
Your feet are so cold they feel warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's called being numb. Go on then. Right, let's sun off. This is another little side shoot. There we go. It is, it's like a type of spore, yes, the mould. Oh, that's going up there. Ew. It's all furry. Oh wow, look at that. It's all like a type of mould. It's like fur. Whoa. Oh my god. But mine looks like it's going to get a bit dry, doesn't it?
What was that? 2013, what?
Someone's got some food in here. Right, you've stood right underneath a pillar, mate. Right, past that sketchy section.
Whoa.
You can only just see the light. Alright, this bit here looks like it's going to get squelchy. Right, I think it's going to get squelchy and muddy now. Look at the state of Ollie's shoes already. Luckily we can wash them on the way out, and I think if we stick to the right hand side, that looks like where the track is. These big pieces of metal hanging off the wall here, they probably held all the pipes, ran through here, supplied maybe oxygen, water to the miners. You still see the light behind us. So you have to keep up morale. The state of the floor is horrible. About 300 yards already. Right, let's take a little look around, see if we can see the light from the other side. Okay, so off in the distance, that is the entrance. It's getting drier, see? So long, it just keeps on going and going. Oh look, another tunnel to the left. Another piece of wood, which would mean there's another one this way. There's another one. That's the third one we've come across now. I wonder if they're set at certain distances. That'll give us an idea of how far we've come. We can still just about see the light down there.
I wonder if they would have had like a machine.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at the size of that. It's like taking a core sample or something. That's a big old thing. Okay, right. Good. That's granite, that is, yeah. In the back there. There's like there's 3 of them. Well, these like little areas cut out on the side. If you imagine the cart was coming through here, you need to dodge out of the way of it. Can't believe how warm it is down here. It's very soft, so it's eroding. Someone's been doing some drilling here. Looks like they were ready to blow through here. Huh? Yes, there is. Ah. Oh, I can see another landslide. You see that? And there's the next hole. That's been covered up a little bit. You see it there? Let's see. There's the big piece of concrete opposite. We got here. Wow. This looks like a mess. You smell the wood. The wood smells like it's got that, there's like a paint they put on it to preserve it. That's what it smells like over there. Please be careful, Pop. Right, up and over then, guys, I guess, huh? How much water's on that side? It looks a lot deeper that side, huh? Let's have a look. All this debris is stopping the water. Yeah, that water looks not deep actually.
It looks like it definitely gets deeper as it goes on, but
I'm going to have a little look. I'm going to test it.
what do you not want to get there?
Oh, you can stay here for a bit. It's only up to your shins. Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh, it's actually warm.
It is warm. Right, Charlie, where are you up to? To your shins. Ollie's like thinking, why do I have to come out with you guys? This is such bullshit. Would be cool in here. Oh, look. You still see the track. The track. See the wooden panels. That was so noisy. We're so far now, I can't even see the other side. See, it's got dry again. So even when it gets wet, it always goes uphill, so it always gets drier. Right, so we're back to the squelchy mud again. Yeah, it's a strange orange colour. Very orange. Oh wow. Starting to change shape a little bit there. Right, I think that's the face, I think, isn't it? Right, let's walk on, see if we can find the end.
It's the end.
Is that it?
Wait, is it?
$89.
Yeah.
Wait.
You don't
It's the
say.
end.
1986. 1925. 1960 on that.
1066. I don't think that's real.
No. 1909. Wow, cool. So you found the end. That's where everyone signed it. This is excellent.
Loads of people have come down here and signed it. Loads of people have come down here and signed the walls. 86, 83, 83, 52, 1909, 1976.
Wow.
Dad, I did that.
That's a good this after this.
Yeah. Right, that's it. We're going to write our names on the walls, like everybody else has, and make our way out of here. So this thing is one long, straight tunnel. Just over Ollie's shoulder to the left, you can see the tip of where we've come in. You can actually see it from here. That little glimmer of light in the distance. That's the entrance right there, over Ollie's shoulder. Right, that's it. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Follow our Instagram.
And if you enjoy this sort of stuff, look back through our catalogue of videos. We've done plenty of these. Right, let's try and get out of this thing. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
That's it. We made it. Woohoo!